Hey there, Buy Smart family. Ever feel like you spend more time vacuuming than actually living your life? Well, let your robots do the dirty work. Today, we're comparing two high-tech robo-cleaners, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Mop. Let's see which one will become your new best friend and which one will be left in the dust, literally. First up, let's talk money. The Shark AI Ultra costs $599, while the Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes in at $549. So the Roomba is a little cheaper. But hey, what's $50 when you're already shelling out half a grand? It's like choosing between a golden goose and a silver one. Either way, you're still getting eggs. Next, suction power. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction. It's like having a tiny tornado confined in a vacuum. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus promises powerful performance with a 4-stage cleaning system. It's like the Roomba went to a vacuuming boot camp. Both are great, but if you're looking to suck up everything from dust bunnies to actual bunnies, Shark might have the edge. Reviewers say the Shark is particularly good at picking up fine dust and pet hair, while some users found the Roomba a bit inconsistent in this area. Both of these bad boys can empty themselves. The Shark can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, and it's bagless, so no extra purchases needed. The Roomba also holds up to 60 days, but it uses an enclosed bag. So if you're the type who loves buying vacuum bags, Roomba's got your back. For the rest of us sane people, Shark's bagless base is a win. Many reviewers appreciate the Shark's bagless feature for its convenience, while some Roomba users found the bags to be an additional expense. Now, Roomba's got a trick up its sleeve. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. You can switch bins, and voila, it's mopping time. The Shark, on the other hand, is like, nah, I'm just here to vacuum. So if you want your floors to look like they've been licked clean by a unicorn, Roomba's your guy. Reviewers particularly praise the Roomba's mopping feature for cleaning up after pets and small spills, adding an extra layer of convenience. Both vacuums come with precision mapping. The Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for some serious Terminator vibes, while Roomba learns your home with its Imprint Smart Map. It's like having a tiny cartographer in your vacuum. Both are great, but if you want your vacuum to dodge Legos like Neo dodges bullets, Shark might have the edge. Some users found the Shark's navigation to be more reliable, while others mentioned that the Roomba sometimes struggles with mapping and scheduling runs. Both vacuums are compatible with voice control. You can boss them around using Alexa, Google Assistant, or even Siri. The Roomba claims to understand more voice commands than any other 2-in-1. So if you want a vacuum that listens better than your kids, Roomba's got your back. Reviewers noted that the Shark's voice control is effective but somewhat limited, whereas Roomba's voice command integration is more comprehensive. Overall, reviewers have mixed feelings about both products. The Shark AI Ultra is praised for its powerful suction and reliable navigation, but has minor issues with voice commands and app functionality. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is lauded for its mopping feature and comprehensive voice control, but has inconsistent mapping and additional costs for vacuum bags. So, there you have it. The Shark AI Ultra is like the Hulk of vacuums. Strong, relentless, and a little bit scary. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus is the multi-talented performer who can vacuum and mop while making you a sandwich. Okay, maybe not the sandwich part. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on your needs and, let's be honest, how much you hate buying vacuum bags. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which robot vacuum you'd trust with your mess. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.